Why do we read certain books, go to museums, or watch documentaries? We do these things because they hold our interest, or they're interesting. Imagine you went to a natural science museum and took a guided tour. On this tour, you saw many interesting exhibits like mummies, dinosaurs, and gems, and got some interesting information from your guide. Now, you want to tell your friend about your day at the museum in a little bit more interesting way. Here are some synonyms you could use. Listen and repeat. Fascinating, fascinating. Riveting, riveting. Gripping, gripping. Compelling, compelling. Captivating, captivating. Engaging, engaging. Intriguing, intriguing. Thought-provoking, thought-provoking. Stimulating, stimulating. Here is an example of how you can tell your friend about your really interesting day at the museum. I just had the most stimulating day. I went to the Museum of Nature and Science and took a guided tour. The guide had really fascinating things to say about each exhibit. I learned some really thought-provoking information about mummies in ancient Egypt. I also learned about gems and minerals, which I didn't expect to be so captivating, but it was. After lunch, we watched a really gripping film about the formation of the universe. And of course, before I left the museum, I had to see the dinosaurs. I just think they're so intriguing, don't you? The whole day was really engaging. I felt like I learned so much. I don't know about you, but I really want to go to a museum now. What's the most compelling thing that you've experienced lately? Share your experience in the comments below using your new synonyms. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a riveting day. Bye.